Get back. Get back.
What did you get back? Choose an opponent to attempt his or her next shot holding the putter behind his or her back. Who are you gonna pick?
Your mama. Okay, here, you can go first.
On this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I still have to do it.
Okay. So Cannon, you gotta make it over this hump right here. Almost. There you go. That's how you do it. Cannon, slow down and aim.
Blind putt. Attempt your first shot with your. No, do it back. Do it back behind your back and your eyes closed.
Okay.
Back over here.
Behind your back
What?
with your eyes closed. Not bad. Not bad.
First shot, I have close, so I don't have to do this.
Oh man. Okay, first shot with eyes closed.
Oh!
Looky there.
I just got the first shot when you guys were
Almost.
I think you got
So on this one, they got to make it through the cave without going in the water on each side.
Get it? Alright, put it right there. You got it in the water. I got it.
All right.
That was a messy ride.
Fifth Aria can do it. Aria went straight into the water.
I'm not.
Three. Now, on this next hole, there are 3 different holes they can go to the bottom, go in, and come out in 3 different locations at the bottom where the hole actually is. So you want to try to get that middle one.
Okay, guys, this is the last hole. Over here. Ken, no practice. Because you go in, the ball's gone. If you go in, the ball is gone, Ken. No practice. Hurry, your turn. Good shot. Oh!
Almost. Wait.
Wait for it to go. Oh, so close.
Gently. gently. Well, there you go. So Arya's added up the scores for mini golf today. Who won?
Mama, then it was me, and then Cannon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.